Hi, I'm Allie McAllerson, and this is Ingredients, the baking show about baking, where every week our contestants will face off to figure out who the best amateur baker is for $1 million prize. And these are our contestants.
Hello, my name is Caitlin. I am a 3-time world champion gingerbread house builder. I am taking this competition very seriously, and I'm here to win the $1 million.
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm not a chef, but I graduated from Le Cordon Bleu, and I'm ready to win.
Hi guys, I'm Madison, and I'm gluten-free, dairy-free, corn-free, soy-free, grain-free, all the frees. And I'm here to teach all the judges how to live a healthy lifestyle.
What's your secret weapon?
Fear.
My secret weapon? Pretending to know what I'm doing.
My secret weapon is cake decorating.
Where's her hat?
I don't do hats.
Hello, this is week 3 of Ingredients. This week our contestants will be competing to figure out who can best decorate a cake. And since Madison won last week's challenge, she will win today's secret ingredient, which is a cake decorating kit.
Are you serious?
No!
So Madison gets to use this to her heart's content. All right, get ready. Time begins now.
Where's the pink? Oh, we gotta get it perfectly.
I'm so
These are
jealous of Madison's cake decoration.
This is
bags
gonna be
that
the
I
best
use
cake
at
you've
home.
ever. So there's always a technique to these. You have to be like very specific, and you gotta just try your best. And if you just mess up, you gotta Bob Ross it, you know? Like that, and then you just.
Josh,
Huh?
You
No
pretend
one-
like you know what you're
no
talking
one
about.
wants to hear your commentary.
Well, no one wants your help, okay?
So I've stashed something just for this competition. A little bit of denim.
Okay, Madison.
Yes.
Please tell me a little bit about what you're doing here.
So since I can't eat the cake anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and put denim on it, cause you know, just all about that fashion.
Where
right?
did you get denim?
I brought it with me. I always have a trick up my sleeve.
Okay.
So yeah,
And
that's
it's
why
not edible.
I always win.
There's no way you can consume this denim.
No.
Okay.
The judges are gonna have to, pick around it,
Okay.
peel it off. I don't know. It's all about the appearance.
So will you be sharing your cake decorating kit today?
I mean, I could, but I'd rather keep it all myself because I want to win.
Got it. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, Josh. How you
are
feeling right now?
I'm feeling very confident in what's going on right now. I'm doing a Alice in Wonderland lamb seared with a drizzle of, blue authenticity. It's going really good. I mean, I did the polka dots because it represents the so it's going great. It's going great.
What is the colors exactly meaning for you?
So the colors to
Why?
me, it's actually a personal meaning. Blue, everyone likes blue, and then black. And yeah, so it's going. I think it's going great.
Okay. Well, good luck.
Thank you so much.
Keep making your cake.
I will.
Hi there, Caitlin.
Hello.
I see you've added some decorations to your face.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I like to become the cake.
Yeah, okay.
That's kind of my number one go-to.
Yeah. So what are you feeling with this cake? Why?
So my favorite holiday is Easter.
Okay.
And so I'm just really trying to bring out my inner Easter. So that was my goal for this. Yeah. And I also saw that Madison got the cake decorating kit. And I know because she helped me last time that she'll definitely be helping me this time. So yeah, I'm really excited. I think I could possibly win this.
Good to form alliances. Okay, great. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay, and now we are on the cake decorating
Yes.
competition. So we're gonna go ahead and start with Madison's cake.
Oh.
That is the
Is that what that is?
Is that what
yeah.
this is?
Denim?
So it's
Yes.
covered in denim,
Yes.
unconventional approach.
It is a choice.
Jacques, give that a feel.
Feels like a soft baby.
It does feel like a fat baby. What's it taste like, Taylor? Give it a lick. Oh. I tell you what, I like her use of the pink icing and the denim. This is like somebody's pants. She cut up somebody's pants and put them on here.
I think this is very creative. I think, yes, I think it's just amazing. I actually really like
Very
this.
visually interesting.
We can't eat it.
But you can't eat it and it feels like a fat baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one is like an American thrift shop.
Oh, and
Disgusting.
Oh, wow. Jacques feeling fired up today, folks. So what do we rate Maddie's cake?
I'll just go and give it an 8.
Yeah.
wow.
Okay.
What would you give it?
I love the decoration. It looks incredible. I'm gonna give her an 8, but we can't eat it.
Yeah.
That's a problem.
So sorry, Madison. Jacques?
And Jock, how do you feel?
Inedible. It is -1.
Wow. Okay.
Negative
Back to the
one.
negatives again for Jacques.
Okay, next we're gonna do Caitlin's cake.
Oh, Katie Lynn Boop.
She went with a little bit of an Easter theme here.
I love it.
Look
Very
at
pastel.
Yes.
Look at the spikes that she
Yeah.
must have like. See, this technique is really, really hard to do.
It
So the spike technique,
It takes soft hands.
yes,
It
very
takes
soft.
clear eyes and full hearts.
Yes, can't lose with that one.
Okay.
Oh, it feels so good.
Can I taste it?
Yeah.
You can, Jacques. Just give it a little bite there, buddy. Jacques going in. Oh,
That is good.
You like the design on it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
yeah.
So what would you rate it, Taylor?
I would give this a 9.
Oh,
actually.
wow.
It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
How about you, Danny?
I'm going 10.
A
It's delicious.
10.
What?
Wow. Jock, how are you feeling?
Wow, Jacques, you're
Wow.
really
I
loving
give it a 2.
Oh, a 2.
2.
That's good for Jacques. He's allergic to cake.
Caitlin, good
Wow.
job.
Okay, last but not least is Josh's cake.
And you know what? You got to look really closely at
Yeah.
Josh's cake. He put a special design right there.
He definitely
in the
put
center.
some work into it.
Taylor, what do you think of this cake?
It's very pretty.
I love the candies that surround it. This has immense detail and precision.
I like the detail.
The
Yeah.
spirals. The spirals. 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 Spirals.
Oh, Jacques, not again.
Caitlin's wins this time, I guess.
I'm so sorry.
Good job, Caitlin.
Got to me.
And for week 3, the winner of the cake competition is Caitlin. Even though Madison's cake was beautiful, it was in fact inedible. So Caitlin did win this week. Great job.